Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds and ethers. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of ethers we are going to discuss. Cleavage of carbon oxygen bond in ethers. Ethers are least reactive of the functional groups. The cleavage of carbon oxygen bond in ethers takes place under drastic conditions with excess of hydrogen halide. Now, you know how water molecule undergo ionization? There are two types of ionization in water molecule, all we know. Molecular formula HOH. Water molecule undergo ionization gives one hydrogen removed as H plus and one OH is removed as OH minus. Gives H plus and OH minus. This is one type of ionization. And another type of ionization of water molecule is HOH. Water molecule on ionization. This hydrogen undergo ionization gives H plus, that hydrogen also becomes H plus. So, there are two H plus and O2 minus, 2 H plus and O2 minus. First reaction of diethyl ether carbon oxygen bond cleavage reaction I am going to write like this. Second reaction, this ionization. Like water molecule, instead of hydrogen, we have alkyl group in ether. C2H5O, C2H5. Diethyl ether or ethoxyethane when treated with concentrated hydroiodic acid on heating. Like the first ionization of water molecule H plus OH minus, here ethyl plus ethoxy minus undergo ionization. H plus OH minus, ethyl plus ethoxy minus. H plus from HI is added to O minus and minus is added to plus. Gives one molecule of ethyl iodide C2H5I plus one molecule of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Iodoethane 2 carbon eth single bond ane OH all. Ethanol. If hydroiodic acid is taken in excess, the ethyl alcohol formed in this reaction again undergo reaction with HI, H plus I minus gives. We know H plus OH minus removed as H2O and I minus is added to ethyl plus gives again ethyl iodide C2H5I plus H2O water molecule is removed. This is your iodoethane or ethyl iodide, iodoethane. And if two molecules of HI are taken, diethyl ether undergo ionization in the second type of water molecule ionization H plus O2 minus. Like this, diethyl ether undergo ionization. Ethyl ethoxyethane C2H5O C2H5 ethoxyethane when treated with 2 molecules of HI. Like the second ionization of water molecule H plus ethyl plus ethyl plus O2 minus. Here one minus, here one minus. We have 2 molecules of hydrogen iodide. One H plus and I minus, another H plus and I minus. So, what are our product? Ethyl iodide, two molecules of C2H5I plus H2O, one molecule of water is removed. Now, I am going to take mixed ether. Methoxyethane, CH3, O, CH2, CH3. When treated with 1 mole of HI, H plus I minus. Now, this is methoxyethane mixed ether. The iodide, being a good nucleophile, attack the least substituted carbon of the alkyl group. I minus is added to the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom, and automatically H plus is added to O minus. I minus is a good nucleophile which attack the less substituted alkyl group. So, our product are CH3I methyl iodide plus CH3CH2 OH ethanol, CH3CH2 OH. 2 carbon eth single bond N OH all ethanol. One more aromatic mixed ether, we know anisole, C6H5OCH3, anisole when treated with HI, H plus I minus, aromatic mixed ether. Methoxybenzene, I minus is added to the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom usually. I minus is added to methyl, H plus is added to O minus, gives C6H5OH plus CH3I. The aromatic alcohol, phenyl alcohol, phenol along with iodomethane. Now, we are going to discuss the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction of ether. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halides is HI more reactive than HBr, which in turn more reactive than HCl. The cleavage of ethers takes place with con HI or concentrated HBr at high temperature. Now, we enter into the mechanism. Step 1, protonation of ether to form oxonium ion. Methoxyethane mixed ether, protonation. CH3O, oxygen has 2 pair of electron, CH2, CH3, methoxyethane. When treated with HI, charge on H becomes plus, iodine is minus. An equilibrium reaction, protonation takes place. The oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus of concentrated HI, gives CH3O. Here you have one H, one pair of electron. There is a positive charge on oxygen because oxygen donate a pair of electron. CH2, CH3 plus, still we have I minus, the nucleophile. This is your oxonium ion. Oxonium ion. The reaction takes place with hydrogen iodide or HBr, as these reagents are sufficiently acidic and Br minus, I minus are good nucleophiles. Now, we are going to discuss the step 2 of this mechanism. In step 2, iodide being a good nucleophile attacks the least substituted carbon of oxonium ion formed in step 1, and it displaces an alcohol molecule by SN2 mechanism. We have I minus and oxonium ion in the first step. This I minus is a good nucleophile. Attack the least substituted carbon of oxonium ion. Now I write the reaction. Attack of I minus. I minus iodide attack the oxonium ion CH3O. Here you have one hydrogen, one pair of electron, positive charge, CH2, CH3. I minus attack the least substituted carbon of the oxonium ion, and this bond is converted into lone pair of electron on oxygen, gives one molecule of CH3I, iodomethane, and alcohol CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol is obtained. When primary and secondary alkyl groups are present, it is a lower alkyl group that form alkyl halide. If primary and here both are primary, if primary and secondary alkyl groups are present, it is a lower alkyl group that form alkyl iodide, that is SN2 mechanism. In the case of tertiary alkyl halide, the reaction follow SN1 mechanism. Tertiary alkyl halide reaction follow SN1 mechanism. In step 3, if HI is in excess and the reaction is carried out at high temperature, ethanol react with another molecule of HI and is converted into again ethyl iodide. If HI is in excess, the ethyl alcohol formed in step 2, CH3, CH2, OH undergo reaction with HI gives, what happens? Oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus, and a new bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen, gives CH3, CH2, OH. One more hydrogen is added. There is one pair of electron with a positive charge. In the second step, I minus is added. We know whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, it remove a pair of electron from nearby bond, carbon get positively charged as it lose its electron. Now I minus is added to carbon plus, gives the product again ethyl iodide, CH3, CH2, I with the loss of water molecule H2O. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction of ether with HI. We can also carry out this reaction with HBr, because Br minus and I minus are good nucleophile. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.